Dear students, today we'll solve remaining examples of practice set 3.2. So, sixth example is how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 5? Now, how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 5? So, should know here which is the smallest three-digit number and which is the greatest three-digit number. So, we write here the list of the number sequence. So smallest three digit number is 100, then divisible by 5, 105 divisible by 5, then 110 and so on. And greatest three digit number is 999. The 999 is not divisible by 5. So this is not divisible by 5. So which number is divisible by 5? So the number which is divisible by 5, three-digit number greatest is 995. So now we got the first number and last number, three-digit number. Now we should check this sequence, it is AP or not. So first let this is T1, T2, T3 and this is last term is called as Tn. Now first D1 is equal to T2 minus T1 which is equal to 105 minus 100 which is equal to 5. D2 is equal to T3 minus T2 that is 110 minus 105 which is 5. Now here D is constant. So here D is equal to 5 is constant, therefore the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. So now once it is an arithmetic progression, so first term A is equal to 100, then common difference D is equal to 5. Here last term Tn is equal to 995. We have to find here number of how many three-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 5. So now and we have to find. So for an AP, for an arithmetic progression, we have the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, now the value of Tn, we know the value of Tn, Tn is equal to 995, so put the value 995, don't put T 995, you should write here Tn value is, n is not 995, Tn is 995. So now next A which is equal to 100 plus n is equal to, we have to find n minus 1 and into D, D is equal to 5. Now simplify, therefore 995, this 100 will come on left hand side of the equal to sign, it will become minus 100 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now 995 minus 100 is 895 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now therefore n minus 1 is equal to 895 divided by this 995 will get divided by this multiplication divided by 5. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, carry 3, 5 sevens are 35, carry 4, 5 nines are 45, 179. Therefore, n is equal to 179 plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 180. So, there are how many three-digit number? There are 180 three-digit number. 180 three three digits, 3-digit natural number which are divisible by. Seventh example, 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29. Then find the 41st term of an AP. Now, first thing you will write the given thing, given part in the example. Here, the given part is 11th term is 16 and 21st term of an AP is 29. So T11 is equal to 16 and T21, 21st term is 29. This is given part. What we have to find? We have to find T41. T41 is equal to question mark. Now we know that for an AP we use the formula TN formula. For an AP arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now for n is equal to 11 and n is equal to 29, for n is equal to 11, T11, put the values in this formula, Tn formula. T11 is equal to A plus n is equal to 11 minus 1 into D. Therefore, what is T11? T11 is given as 16. 16 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, 10D. This is equation number first. Now, for n is equal to 21, for n is equal to 21, T21, put the same values of n, same formula, Tn formula. T11, T21 is equal to A plus 21 minus n is equal to 21 minus 1 into D. Therefore, T21 is equal to 29 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 is 20 D. Equation number second. Now, take both these equations together, and these are the equations in two variables. Solve these two equations simultaneously. So let us write first equation. First equation is A plus 10D is equal to 16, equation number 1. And second equation is A plus 20D is equal to 29. These are two simultaneous equations in two variables A and D. Now you will subtract this equation. Subtract, change the sign. A plus A will become minus A. Here plus 20D will become minus 20D, and 29 will become minus 29. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So this plus A and minus A will get cancelled. 10D minus 20D is equal to minus 10D. 16 minus 29 is minus 13. Therefore, 10D is equal to 13 and D is equal to 13 upon 10, which is equal to 1.3. This is value of D. Now, we have the value of, we should put this value of D in equation. Put D is equal to 13 upon 10 in equation first, in first equation. So we'll get a plus 10 into 13 upon 10 in this equation. D is 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. So 10 will get cancelled. So a plus 13 is equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to 16 minus 13, which is equal to a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Now, for an AP, now we have a equal to 3, d is equal to 1.3, and n is equal to 41. What we have to find? T 41. So n is 41. So we have Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, Tn T41 is equal to a is equal to 3 plus 41 minus 1 into d. D we can take a 13 upon 10. Let us take 13 upon 10, which value? This 13 upon 10, that is 13 upon 10. Therefore, T41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 13 upon 10. So, 0, 0 cancel from numerator and denominator. So, we will get 3 plus 13 into 13 fours are 52. So therefore T41 is equal to 3 plus 52 is 55. So 41th term of an AP is 55. Take example 11.852. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? So the given AP is, given arithmetic progression is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Which term is this? So the given term, what is given here? A is equal to 11, D is equal to, as it is AP, we can find D. 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. D is minus 3. Therefore, and Tn is minus 151. Which term? You have to find which term is that? N. And we have to find. So, we know that for an arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, Tn is given as minus 151 is equal to a is 11 plus n we have to find n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Therefore, minus 151 is equal to 11 plus, now here n minus 1 into minus 3. Now take this 11 on left hand side. So minus 151 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Therefore, minus 151 and minus 11. So both same signs are there. So we have to add them. So it is 2, 162. Sign will remain same. Minus 162 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now this minus 3 will, it is multiplication, so it will get divided here. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to, I am changing the sides. So minus 162 upon minus 3. Now divide. 3 minus minus will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 1 carry, 3 fours are 12. So n is equal to, n minus 1 is equal to 54. N is equal to 54. n minus 1 is equal to 54. Therefore, n is equal to 54, this plus 1. So, n is equal to 55. So, this now term is, therefore, T, answer is T 55 is equal to minus 151. So 55 term is minus 151. Ninth example, in the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? Now, we should write the list of the number which are divisible by 4. So, first is the smallest 2 digit number, that is after 10, which is divisible. First 10, is 10 divisible by 4? No. 11 is divisible? No. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes, 12 is divisible. So smallest number between from 10 to 250, that is 12 is the smallest one which is divisible by 4. Next to 12, 16, then 20, and so on. Now last is 250. Is 250 divisible by 4? Last 2 digit, test of divisibility, last 2 digit of the number are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So 50 is not divisible by 4. So 250 is not divisible. Then 249 is also not divisible. So this is also not. Then 248. Yes, last 2 digit are divisible by 4. So 248 is the last term. 248 is last term, that is Tn. This is Tn, T1, T2, T3. So this is the sequence in which these numbers are divisible by 4. Now we'll check is this at AP. So D1 common difference, D1 is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4. D2 is equal to T3 minus T2, which is equal to 20 minus 16, which is also 4. So here D is equal to 4 is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Now, once it is AP, we can write now A is equal to 12, D common difference is 4, last term Tn is 248. You have to find how many natural numbers. You have to find n is equal to question mark. So for an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, Tn is 248. Tn is not, n is not 248, Tn is 248. So we are write carefully here value of Tn. A equal to 12 and n you have to find n minus 1 into D. D is equal to 4. So therefore 248, this 12 will come here, minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. Therefore 248 minus 12 is 236 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. Therefore n minus 4, n minus 1 is equal to 236 divided by 4. Divide 4 1s are 4 5s are 20, 3 carry, 4 9s are 36. So n minus 1 is equal to 59. N is equal to 59 plus 1. So n is equal to 60. And answer how many? There are 60 natural numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4. Which are divisible by 4. Last sum, an important one. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. So what is given here? Given part is 17th term of an AP, T17 is 7 more plus 7 more than its 10th term. This is given T10. We have to find common difference D is equal to question mark. Now we know that formula. We have for an AP, for an arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now in this formula we use for n is equal to 17 and for n is equal to 10. We'll apply the formula for this given part. So for n is equal to 17, T 17 means A plus, here we'll apply the formula A plus 17 minus 1 into D is equal to T10 A plus 10 minus 1 into D plus 7, which is given. Now here, therefore A plus 17 minus 1 is 16D is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 9D plus 7. Now A and A from both the sides it will get cancelled. Now therefore 16D, this 9D will come on left hand side of the equal to sign, it will become minus 9D is equal to 7. Therefore 16 minus 9 is 7D is equal to 7 and D is equal to 7 upon 7, which is equal to 1. And so the common difference is 1.